A, apple in the air. It spins and twirls without a care. B, ball rolls over there. Bounce it high and catch with flair. C, cat in curly chair. She purrs and stretches everywhere. Letters, fun to say. Let's keep learning every day. E, elephant with flair. Big and strong with stylish hair. F, fish swims with care. Splish, splash, bubbles fill the air. G, giraffe brushing hair. Tall and tidy, standing fair. He, hat flies in the air. Catch it quick before it tears. Barakhadi is fun to sing. A to Z, we learn each thing. I, ice cream with a pear. Tasty treats we love to share. J, jumpin' jelly bear. Boing, boing, hop with bouncy care. K, kite up in the air. Colors dancing everywhere. L, lion with long hair. Brushy mane with royal stare. Letter sounds and happy rhyme. Let's sing Barakhadi every time. M, monkey on a chair. Swing and clap with monkey flair. O, owl with glowing glare. Hoot, 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 it's night out there. P, penguin with a stare. Waddle, walk, and icy dare. We know letters short and long. Let's keep going in this song. Q, queen with royal care. Waves and smiles from her gold chair. R, rabbit combs its hair. Hops around without a scare. S, sun is everywhere. Shining bright with golden glare. T, tiger in a fair. Roars with fun and stuffed bear. Letters big and small we see. From A to Z learn happily. U, we, umbrella with a bear. Raindrops fall but we don't care. V, violin in the square. Plink, plank, plunk, music to share. U, we, whale with water flare. Splashes high up in the air. X, xylophone to share. Colorful notes here and there. Y, yak with yellow hair. Moo and chew without a care. Z, zebra everywhere. Stripes and fun and friendly stare. A to Z we learn today.
कृपया लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।